Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and today's look is this glam sort of Bride of Frankenstein. So if you like this look and you want to see how I've achieved it, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. I started this look by just painting my chest and shoulders. So now I'm just going to paint my face green and let that dry. I'm also using the paint to cover my eyebrows by just stroking them upwards. While I'm waiting for my face to dry, I'm just going to apply a bright red lipstick. And I'm going over my Cupid's bow to make the lips look a little bit more pouty. This lipstick is Bite by Evil Eye Cosmetics. I'm then going to take the Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette, and you can get 10% off your Cheeky Bits orders with the code tashxglam10. Going to use this green here just to add a little bit of contouring to the face. Now I'm going to take my P. Louise base and use that on my eyelids. Going to take a black eyeshadow on an angled brush and just draw on some eyebrows. Going to take some of this green here and apply that as my transition shade. Then I'm going to take Pageant Queen from the Lesser Drag palette and buff that all over my lid. Going to take a little bit more of my base just to clean it up a little bit. And then I'm going to go back in with the Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette and take this hot pink here. Also going to bring that purple down into the pink a bit. Going to take that green again from the Cheeky Bits palette and just bring it underneath my eye. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that purple and place that close to my waterline. And now I'm just going to take a thin brush and some black face paint and create some little stitchy type areas. Now I'm going to take a white face paint on a bobby pin and just highlight the stitches with that. We're going to use some Model Rock lashes in Midnight Valentine, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween video. Bye!